Hey friends, this is Atif Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Pepe. As in my earlier videos, I've been showing you that Pepe has broken out a very long-term inverse head and shoulder pattern on the 7 days time frame chart, and after that we had a very massive rally. And this was one of those videos. And now if you take a look at the live weekly time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakout from this wedge, the price then found a very strong resistance here at $0.00001725. And if I place this measurement tool, by the way, from this though to this side, then you can see that it is more than 2,631%, very massive rally. And now if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here in my previous video, I was showing with this trend line resistance that Pepe has found. You can see that we got rejection here, and after that, the price then has found this down trend line resistance and broke down this quite long-term uptrend line support. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart once again, then you can see that this uptrend line support was coming from the month of October 2023. We got rejection here, and after the breakout, it was flipped into a support. We had a bounce here, and now recently we have broken it down, and after the breakdown, you can see that it is flipped into a resistance, and after that, the price then is rejected by this uptrend line resistance and drop down at this short-term uptrend line support that recently we have found. That was breaking other resistance here and support here. You can see that we had a long spike here at this support, then we had another bounce here, and now the price is again testing this support. And at the same time, the price has also found another downtrend line support as well. You can see that we had a bounce here, and this was another bounce, and this was another bounce, and now it has also formed this down channel as well. This is the resistance of this down channel, and here we have the support of this channel. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for NTRN, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can plot the complete trade signal, like this, the buying on and sell targets on and stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying on and rallied to the sell targets on. Now, let me take you to the live chart of Pepe. And this is the daily time frame chart. In here, you can see that previously, by the way, Pepe was moving inside this channel. And after the breakout, I was telling you that we can expect a target here at the top of the channel, approximately at 1096. And you can see that the price then rallied beyond that target. But you can see that it is rejected by this downtrend line resistance and by this uptrend line resistance as well. And by this resistance of 17.25 cents. And after that, the price then has formed this recent down channel. And while moving inside this channel, we have broken down this very long-term uptrend line support. That is, by the way, coming from here, from the month of October 2023. It was breaking other resistance here, and after the breakout, it was flipped into a support. We had a bounce here, and now recently we have broken it down, and therefore now it is flipped into a resistance once again. And now the price has recently found another uptrend line support here. That was breaking at the rejection point here, and after the breakout, it is flipped into a support here, and now recently the price is once again likely to have another bounce from the support. If the price breaks down the support, then it can test the support of the channel somewhere here at 513. And in case of breaking out the resistance of this channel, by the way, this time the resistance will be here approximately at 920. And this will be a quite strong crisscross of the two resistance levels, the channel's resistance and this resistance of 920. That was previously breaking at the resistance here, and before that support here, resistance here, and resistance here as well. And therefore, again, this 920 can break at a strong resistance. And in case of breaking out this resistance of the channel, the price can again hit this long-term resistance of 17.25. And in case of breaking out this resistance, it can be flipped into a long-term support, and this rally to the upside will be continued for the long term. So this was the update so far. I hope that you liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.